Hi everybody, it's in David again. So I'm here guys. This one is the snake plant, as you can see, and then it's a lot now, so I need to separate some of it, just like this one, and some in here just a little small, so we just leave that. This one first, and I think this other one too. So let's separate that. Okay, and I got the one pot in here, so we're using this. Okay, let's do it. It's time to remove them first. As you can see, yep. So what we need to do, we need to cut this one in here, this one. Let's pull the whole, okay, the whole thing. Wow, look at that, how pretty is that? I'll show you guys what I mean. Look at that, how pretty is that? It's a lot of roots now. As you can see, this one, if this one is a lot of roots, so I'll separate this. And look at this also, this one. And we got in here too, guys, this one, as you can see. Yep, but this one we need to remove this. Peanut butter. So ganyan lang, separate them. Yeah, did you see it's pop? So that's the sounds. So I just add some soil in here guys, okay? Yeah. Wow. Separate. Oh wow, look at that, how pretty is that? Yep, then we just add some soil in here again. So I'm using this soil in here guys. Okay. Okay guys, so this one is done. As you can see, this one is the main one. So every time that they got like this guys, I need to separate. So we got another snake plant. Okay, then I'm gonna put this back in here. Get it? So now, yeah, this one is done. Let's put that over here. Okay, it's pretty. So next is in here. It's all done. All done, eh? Hi, Peanut! So, yun yung peanut ko, guys. Hi, Peanut! Hi, baby! So, yun yung peanut namin.
So we're all set for tonight.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's good, Dada. So, ayan. Then, let's get some more soil, guys. Okay? I think I broke this. Wait a minute. I need to... Ah. So, I'm gonna get some soil in here, guys. Okay? Just stay there. Keep on watching this one, okay? Because we don't know if we got rabbit or something. Okay, guys? Peanut, no.
You ready for tonight too, honey? I got everything sealed up. Except for, of course, these guys here.
So from one, I got two.
Where you putting them?
Hmm?
In these
The
big
house.
old baskets?
In the house.
Oh, in the house, don't you?
Okay, guys, from one equals two. Oh, see? May dalawa na ako. Charang! So, it's two now. Tutut, tutut, tutut. Hmm.
Finally, one bird, honey, on that oats.
One.
You see them?
Yeah, at the back. Okay, guys, so here's the how you call this? Snake plant now. Tarang! Tarang! So guys, that's it for today. Bye! Pretty no? Pretty. Pretty little baby. Oh wow, that's nice. Big.
That's definitely a chicken hawk.
Okay guys, so that's it for today. Bye. Ay. Ito na yung picturean din rin eh. Yeah, boss. Boss ba?